I got this. Best coffee ever.
Hi, I'm Mia. I'm someone who enjoys travels, art, good food, and all other activities that life can bring to me. I always love to capture moments when I felt happy and fulfilled. Sometimes life brings us busy days and nights, and then we start to appreciate the free time. My goal is to share my journey with you, motivate and inspire you, and share my tips how to manage free time. Good morning. I just woke up. It's almost 6 o'clock and I was sleeping. Maybe I should get up earlier and sleep good. Late afternoon, so I kind of switch for this time zones. Was it?
Good morning, Sophie.
Do you have a free time between flights and you are not a person who will sit in a hotel room? How is it possible to just sit in a room all day? Alright, this short story is about my personal experience between two flights. I'm traveling with my family to Europe. In case you haven't seen my first video about this long trip to Europe, you can check it here. So we traveled from Napier, Hawke's Bay to Auckland. It was just like 1 hour flight, and now we are free for a whole day. And tomorrow we will depart to Europe, and it will take up like a 35 plus hours. Did we plan our free day in Auckland? No. We just wanted to rest and enjoy the transition from New Zealand's lifestyle to European one.
Yum yum.
So use the time to write and edit pictures for my blog while Excel and Sophie were sleeping. This is the best time to do something. It's quiet and you feel fresh to think, and if you think that you do not have enough time for your hobbies or passions, believe me, it is best to get up early and do whatever you like to do. For example, if you like painting, building something, working on some projects, writing, whatever you do, you will do it with more energy and passion in the morning than in the evening. It's time to go! First, what we wanted to do is just a walk in the sun. We grabbed a few things, bought water and catch up the bus. And we rented a hotel room that is just next to the airport because our flights to Europe was early. And I didn't want to catch 2 or 3 buses in the morning with all suitcases and toddler to reach the airport.
Hi, mon Sophie. Dai ruku. I'll just go buy some water. I'm really thirsty. Like I drink water at the room and I'm still thirsty. And because I'm intermittent fasting, I didn't eat muffins we got. I still feel good. So I would really highly recommend. You will feel much better.
It took us 1 hour to reach the city center. To be straight, we did not know where we are going. The plan was to go to aquarium, but it was 1.5 hours far from accommodation, so we gave up. That is why plans changed into no plans.
What is this? Oh, this is... They should have cafes, no? Hello! Pretty.
Cheddar and beetroot. This one is avocado. Or you want a quiche?
Oh, this looks good.
This is quiche. This one is quiche.
What we're going to take actually for... She wants chocolate.
Mama,
Morning.
I want coffee.
You want a coffee? Excuse me. Can we order? I would like oat milk latte. Okay. And what? Yeah, thank you so much. It looks good. Do you have a sweetener by any chance?
No, we do. How many do you need?
Just one.
This one. I thank you.
A bit? Coffee. Mogę próbować.
I try it.
Want to try mine?
More like a combination.
What? To są tylko rzeczy, mam mogli powiedzieć. It's okay. Golden. Vanilla?
No. It's
Gonna melt.
We just had a breakfast. I was waiting for the coffee since 6 in the morning and now it's around noon. This is place which I really recommend. There you go. Best coffee ever. That's the best latte with oat milk I ever had. So just check it out. Also, the lunch is maybe $25. It's a duck with a cauliflower and some extra radish, I think, and I don't know what else was, but it was really delicious. Bellissima!
And after brunch, we enjoyed the sun and walked through the streets of Auckland, realizing that we need a few things to buy, and we decided to stop at Westfield shopping mall.
Bye bye. لا لا ماما بيه.
Oh, Buddha, Sophie. This way.
When we looked at Sophie, her hair seems to be quite messy, so we decided to see a hairdresser.
Sophie.
Yeah, baby.
Trying to cut your hair, Sophie.
How long you working?
Would be maybe another, because we got only 3 stuff today.
Yeah.
So 12 times 6.
Okay.
So quite easy for us.
Oh, good.
Maybe another 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we come back. No worries. Alright, thank you.
We'll come back, Sophie.
We'll
30
come back.
minutes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, good idea. Crazy toddler on the way. Maybe some cards, you know, to play. You remember that?
This one is really weird. I had this book. I remember that. To get a drink and there is monsters on there.
Nice.
Every page there is like a.
I think this could be interesting for her. You know the cards we play? This is maybe when she's 4 or something.
She comes with monsters and
Yeah.
you become the king of the
Cute monsters, huh?
monsters. Okay, baby, let's. No. How many copies for
What do you think about this one? So she can have cards and then we can.
Actually born.
That's what she likes, and I think so.
It's quite big.
Oh, this is puzzle.
Sophie, arrête un peu.
Yeah, but we can put it out.
As you see, we didn't do so much, but it was ideally spent free time and the first day of our holiday. We don't need much to be happy. Sometimes I plan some activities just because I love to be active, and if you need more ideas of what to do with kids, for example, I will link it below and you can read the blog post about it, just to get a little bit more information and ideas. And the night before the flight, the best way to rest before the flight is to have cinema night. You take takeaway food you love and watch movies in a hotel cozy bed. Just 3 of us, Thai food, cuddling and films.